Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cat foods to consider, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Open Farm Homestead Turkey and Chicken Grain-Free Dry Cat Food. The farm-to-bowl movement includes companies like Open Farm, which uses humanely raised meat from local farms and ranches, wild ocean whitefish caught using sustainable practices, and fresh, locally harvested fruits and vegetables, says the brand. Open Farm's Homestead Turkey and Chicken Dry Cat Food is a blend of turkey, chicken and non-GMO cranberries and dandelion greens. It also comes in a wet version that can be used as a topper for dry food, says Open Farm. Moving on at number 4, we have the Royal Canin Feline Health Nutrition Kitten Thin Slices in Gravy Canned Cat Food. Kittens need a diet with a higher energy and protein content, said Kornreich, and Royal Canin Kitten Food aims to provide just that. According to the brand, it contains loads of essential amino acids for healthy functioning and development, along with taurine to aid digestion and the excretion of toxins, which helps to maintain your kitten's reproductive and neurological systems. A complete blend of vitamins and minerals ensures healthy bone growth, blood, coat and skin, says Royal Canin. At number 3, we have the Purina Friskies Pate Wet Cat Food. Satisfy your cat's craving for savory poultry flavor with Purina Friskies Pate Poultry Platter Wet Cat Food. The mouthwatering assortment of flavors delights her taste buds with every savory bite, giving her more of the taste she loves the best. With its smooth, pleasing pate texture, this Purina wet cat food is soft to the tooth. She's sure to nibble up every last tender morsel, giving you a wonderful way to show her she's the center of your world. Because this recipe is formulated to provide 100% complete and balanced nutrition for kittens and adult cats, it can follow her through every stage of life, from her playful days as a kitten to her adventurous adult years. Place this delectable Purina Friskies Pate Poultry Platter Wet Cat Food in her dish, and watch her revel in the irresistible taste and tempting aroma that make each bite a true feast for her feline senses. Friskies is produced in U.S. facilities where we take steps to make it good for your cat and good for the environment, like reducing water usage and using renewable electricity. When your cat has finished enjoying this food, please recycle the container. At number 2, we have the Hills Science Diet Adult Indoor Chicken Recipe Dry Cat Food. During your cat's adult years, you want to feed nutrition that supports everyday health and digestion. Hills Science Diet Indoor Adult Dry Cat Food is specially formulated to fuel the energy needs of cats with an indoor lifestyle during the prime of their life. Made for grown cats, this pet food made with natural ingredients uses DHA from fish oil to support brain health and eye development. Balanced minerals promote strong teeth and bones, while natural fibers promote healthy digestion for young cats, and easier litter box cleanup for you. There's more to love with the new look of Science Diet. Some of our products also have new names, new kibble shapes and new formulas. And finally at number 1, we have the Purina Fancy Feast Gravy Lovers Ocean Whitefish and Tuna Feast Gourmet Cat Food. Offer your cat a sophisticated entree when you serve Purina Fancy Feast Gravy Lovers Ocean Whitefish and Tuna Feast in sautéed seafood flavor gravy wet cat food. A thick, savory gravy gives this slow-roasted gourmet wet cat food a rich finish, and the mouth-watering ocean whitefish and tuna flavors deliver the seafood taste cats crave. The small, delicate bites of this soft cat food are perfectly sized for your cat's mouth, and carefully selected ingredients give you both something to feel good about at mealtime. With 100% complete and balanced nutrition in every serving, this cat food helps support her overall health throughout the stages of life. Satisfy her cravings with the deliciousness in every serving of Purina Fancy Feast Gravy Lovers Ocean Whitefish and Tuna Feast in sautéed seafood flavor gravy wet cat food from Amazon, and let her try our other Gravy Lovers varieties to give her a range of flavorful meals she's sure to love down to the last drop in her dish. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon